Hi, welcome to Peppy Sage, and today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is if you have a child and if you are relocating to USA, how to find a school and what is the schooling system of USA. So I'm telling you all these things just because I went through the whole process myself and I have experienced about the school system in USA because my daughter is 8 years old and we had to put her in a school in USA. First of all, if you are new here and you are seeing me for the first time, let me tell you that I'm Shubha and you're watching Peppy Sage. So if you're interested in all these things and you like watching me and my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like this video. So there was a little confusion. When we were about to travel, we were looking for, how to locate a school, how to find a school for my child, which will be best. So I was a little worried. But then many people suggested me, somebody said, first of all, you pick the school, you select which school you would like her to go. Then somebody said, no, first you should select your house and then you must go for school. So the process is in USA, it is all our government schools, okay, and they have great facilities for your child. So you don't have to think like, okay, this is government school, so I don't know how my child will be facilitated. They have all the required amenities and facilities at school. The teachers are great, the schools are great. So the process of coming here, settling, getting your child into a school is, first of all, you travel. You stay in a Airbnb or a hotel for the first week or first 2 weeks, however it is, and within that week of time you select a rented property. So you have to you have to do some research from India or your native country, and then when you come here, you stay in the hotel or Airbnb and physically go and see those places which you want to rent. So among those properties, when you actually rent a house and you come to know about the detailed address and everything, that PIN code of your house helps you to select the school for your child. So what happens in USA is, like for example, we live in Somerset County. So every county, it is like a municipal corporation. Every county has small townships within it. So every township is tagged with few schools. That includes kindergarten, elementary, secondary, and I think there is a high school or something like that. So all these 4 or 5 schools are tagged with every PIN code or every area in USA. So it is not dependent upon us that we want to select a school, choose a school, want our child to go to that particular school. That is not possible. You have to send your child to the school which is allocated to your PIN code. So for example, if you have a special choice in your mind that I want my child to go to this school, then you have to find a house near to that school, like in the PIN code which serves that school. So in that way, if you have something settled in your mind that I want my child to go to that particular school, then you have to search your school first and then locate a house nearby. Otherwise, all schools are good, and especially in New Jersey, and it is very convenient. Availing a school bus is really important. So school bus is also free of cost. So if I just want to recap the points quickly, it is you come and stay in the Airbnb or a hotel, then you find a house nearby or wherever you want to stay, and then when you get the PIN code of your rented property, then you search for a school. So what you have to do is you have to Google that school or elementary school or kindergartens, whatever, according to the age of your child, near me. Then it will show a website which is ssa.gov. something that varies from where you are searching it from. So I cannot give that link to you just because it varies from place to place. Once you search it, you will get that website, and when you go inside it and select the age of your child or which grade you are looking for, then according to that you have to submit a form there. That's very easy. You'll get it on the internet, and once you have submitted the form, the school itself will get back to you. You don't have to do anything else after that. The age criteria for school over here is little different from what I have seen in India. The kindergarteners are 5 years old. After your child turns 5, you can send them to kindergarten, and their grade 1 starts from 6. When they are 6 plus, they go to grade 1. So kindergarten, grade 1 and grade 2 don't have to go through any kind of examination while getting admission into a school. But when it comes to grade 3 and above, your child have to sit for an examination, which will be mostly a written examination for school admission. Even the exam system, like term exams and final exams, there are no exams till class 2 or grade 2. After grade 2, when they start grade 3, there are state level exams which are taken every year. Other than that, the teachers and the principals, they also evaluate your child every day or every week, and then they provide your child with a grade. There is no numbering system, there is only grade system. So in some schools there are kindergarten and elementary school, like from 1 to 4, grade 1 to 4, that is together. In some schools there is only kindergarten, and your child has to change building for going to grade 1. So in my daughter's school, they have kindergarten as well as elementary. Elementary means grade 1 to grade 4. The annual session in USA starts from around September and it ends in June or July. So this is the whole process. So if you are coming in between, they will evaluate first of all what is the age of your child. My daughter was coming from Singapore, and she completed her 2nd grade and she had to go to 3. But they said that no, because she is underage for 3, she had to stay in primary 2 this year, and from September onwards this year itself she will be promoted to 3rd grade. So we cannot do anything about that. That completely depends upon your school. So this might be a problem because there is 1 year of age difference, because in India kids in 5 years they go to class 1, but here kids when they are 5 years old they are going to kindergarten. So that's a little bit of difference here. Otherwise everything is very smooth and thorough. Now about the documents that you need to take along with you when you are going for your child's admission. So there are a list of documents that you have to upload to the portal when they send you an email and ask about all these documents. So you should have soft copy of these documents. For example, immunization card of your child, which is very important. Secondly, if your child has completed whatever education they have completed, you need that certificate. You need TC certificate if they have passed from another school. Then you need the last report card, you need birth certificate. So all these things you have to upload it there. Everything will be mentioned explicitly. On the day of the admission, you don't have to bring anything to school, like no documents, nothing, because they already have all the documents that they need and they have evaluated it. After that, they will send you one document about a nurse from the school will send you that, and your child has to go through few medical examinations such as eye test. They might get some flu vaccination before joining the school. These are the few vaccines which your child must get, and they will be examined by a physician, a general physician, and the doctor will give your child a certificate about fitness. So that you have to take and submit to the school before your child joins. Sometimes if you have not got your insurance card, then you might request to the school and they might agree with that. Your child might start their school, and within a month or so you can submit these documents to school. For kindergarteners, mostly school starts at 8 and 8:15 till 11:30. After that, in elementary school starts at 8:15 and ends in 3:15. So this was the whole details about the school system in USA. If you have any more question or you have any doubt which I haven't cleared it today, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely help you out. You can watch such other important videos related to relocating to USA. I will link all those videos in the description box below. You can check that out later. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all and bye-bye.